Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are here in Grand Isle, Louisiana. Today is a Friday. It's May 9. Please hang out with me and I hope you have fun for today's video. See ya! This is a Filipino's breakfast. I have steamed rice and the leftover sweet and sour chicken from last night's dinner, and of course a cup of coffee. Yum yum yum. Let's dig in. Bon appetit!
You are participating in part of that tradition that now has been expanded to other arts, and so now know how to do this. The video that you showed us, Angela, you can just see the intricacies of everything that goes into a machine like this. It has this sort of roll around. You can see that it is all the way around, so you are getting a wonderfully beautiful design that looks like a hand-woven basket, because it is hand-woven with those it's truly a piece. And Angela, one that I think, as you said, it's kind of that legacy for 12 years of Jay, but it also bears well on favorite Jay pieces.
For today's lunch, I'm cooking Alfredo pasta, and of course we're gonna have the leftover sweet and sour chicken and a cup of tea. So let's cook. filling is apple and it has cinnamon flavor. Still have leftover sweet and sour chicken with pineapple chunks from yesterday's